guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel, because it's been ages since I vlogged on here. It's been time, honestly. Like, the last time I vlogged on there was, God, a few months ago now, guys. That's how long I haven't vlogged. And there was a reason for that, because I didn't have my camera because someone broke it. And if you're watching this, mate, you know who you are. I'm not saying names, because you know exactly who you are. But yeah, I got my camera back. I'll let you get it, like, day before yesterday. But yeah, today's vlog, we are going to a farm to show you guys the horses and everything like that. But yeah, until then, I'll see you over there. Okay guys, we're at the farm right now. Yeah, we're at the farm. I did record a bit of an outro yesterday to the farm, but I didn't upload. I didn't make the actual. I didn't record the video yesterday, so it might be a bit weird, the outro being yesterday and the video today, but I'm still putting it into one video, so it should be okay, I think. But it is a bit sunny, guys. So also there is a farm, and like it's not abandoned or anything, but I don't know if there are people on this. But yeah, there's like a farm, like it's like, well, it's not abandoned, but there's like things that it would look like it's abandoned. But yeah, we decided to do a vlog because we haven't done one in ages, guys. I don't know why it came out today, because it is like proper mud around there. You can see there. Look at the water, it's like iced out. But it's proper, look at that, it's iced out the water, guys. Now you can see what I'm zooming into. There, guys, it's like iced out. Don't know if you can see on camera, but look, you can see a bit there, it's iced out a little bit. I was going to come with a few of my mates, but they didn't want to, so it's going on our own right now. But guys, because I haven't done a vlog in time on my channel, my vlogging channel should I say. Yeah guys, it's so icy down there. Let's hope it don't fall. But it's good. The car's on it, the water is like proper icy, guys. I'll show you. Look at that. The water is like iced out. Look at that, guys. So obviously you wouldn't want to fall in there, okay guys? So you wouldn't want to fall in there. I'm gonna just record it like this, my face, because obviously for some reason, when I flip the camera like that, it's like a proper vlogging camera, so it's real good to do vlogs and that. Just before we go in here though, look at this, guys. Look at that there. Oh, just can't go through here. But look at that, let me zoom in. Look at this. I don't know where that is over there. Probably bare fog over there. But yeah. Let's just go through here now. Also, there will be some videos coming to my horror channel. Not yet though. but there will be. Look at that water. I did come here last time with my mate. We didn't upload it to my vlogging channel though. But yeah guys, please subscribe to the channel for more vlogs like this. Yeah, it does flash as well on this. Not quite sure how you put it on now, but yeah, I think you can only do it when it's not recording for some weird reason. It's a bit weird, but that's how it's made or something. Look at it, so but yeah guys, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more vlogs, should I say. There will be a video coming out on my main channel very soon. I do have game parts by the way as well. I had to buy it before, so I can now continue my continue my Down 2 series. But I'm gonna finish my Madison series, which I've nearly done by the way guys, finally. I should have done it into 2 parts so it wouldn't take as long, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. So yeah. But yeah, with it, decided to vlog because I needed to get a vlog out there guys, because I haven't done a vlog in like time. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on today's video. I have to hold it that way. Yeah, leave a like on today's video. Subscribe to the channel for more vlogs. Because the last time I did a vlog was when I went to Turkey, and that was like, I think that was like a year ago now. But guys, 2025, hopefully you're having a good year so far, because I am. Hopefully you did have a good Christmas as well, because obviously I did. But yeah, just walking down here. Hopefully we can find some places to explore. Sorry about that. That was my phone going off, my Snapchat. But yeah, guys. No further ado, let's try to find some random places. Something there, guys. Sliding past. Guys, we're back. I think when they record that guy, due to reasons. We are back. So he definitely knew I was vlogging, but I did put my camera away because I don't want to record people without their permission. So obviously if he let me, then I would have, but I didn't want to record without his permission. So yeah. Also I do have my what's it called? I do have my vlogging intro, which I don't think I'm putting on every vlog that I've done. I don't think there's really any vlogs, guys, on my vlogging channel, really. But yeah, some different. I don't think you can go in there. I think it's like a little dog field. Not too sure. Let's try not to fall on it. I don't think you're allowed in here. I think it's like a little field, guys. Yeah. It's like a little field. Let's check what time it is currently now. It is 3:02 right now. But yeah, trying not to fall down here because it is a steep, like, kind of mountain kind of. I don't want to fall down. I actually don't, because that won't be a good start to the video. Well, not start to the video, but you know what I mean, guys. But yeah, it is good to go out to get some fresh air, explore as well. Like, it's good to explore, because you know me and my mate, Ethan the Explorer, we like to explore like stuff. But yeah, this I don't know what to call this video. Let me put my phone on mute because it's going to keep going up. Give me a second. My hands are so cold I can't. Right. Yeah, as you know, me and Ethan the Explorer do exploring. So obviously we've got a channel based on abandoned buildings and that. But yeah. That's something else as well. Once again, someone walked past me. I don't know if you've seen them over there. They walked past me again. I'm not going to keep stopping the video when people walk past. It's just because people might not want me to record them. Because like I said before, I don't want to record them without their consent. So, because I don't know, I just don't like recording people unless they are happy with that. If they're happy with that, then I will. But if they're not happy with that, then I won't record people without the consent, because yeah. Also, we was planning on going to Manchester Museum, but there's quite a few of Manchester museums, so there's going to be record a vlog in there, because that would be a good vlog to do. That, guys, I don't know if you can see, but it's so muddy around there, like it actually is. But yeah, there's no like abandoned places near me, because that's why I've not been recording on my whole channel quite a lot. But yeah, for that, my hands are so cold, like you don't even know, guys, they're freezing. I think that's back to the main road. Oh my god, my shoes are covered in mud. I shouldn't have came out of it. I shouldn't have came out of this day, guys. Like, I actually shouldn't have. But yeah, shouldn't have came out of it sick. My shoes, I don't know if you can see, but my shoes are muddy as anything. For that guy. But yeah, it's just we're going to be recording soon, Mate, I think we're going to be recording again today with one of my friends that I haven't mentioned on my main channel or my vlogging channel, guys. Like, I don't think I've ever put him in a video, and if you're watching this, mate, you know who you are. But yeah, we are down here. So this is the main road right now. This is the main road. I will need to find my way back, however, but obviously I know my way back because I've been here loads of times. Like I said, there is a farm round there, but I can't find where to get into it. It is a farm, but it's like left abandoned, I think. I don't know, because it's like near some car roads, but no one ever goes on there. So, but I don't know how you get into it. Not too sure. Wait, what did I just see now? Wait, what is that? Wait, what is that, guys? What is that? Someone's been there. Look at that. Someone's been there. I don't know what that is, but so much litter. But yeah, as I was saying before, we got interrupted by that litter. I forgot what I was saying now. Oh yeah, about the farm. It's not abandoned, but it's like left when no one goes in it. I don't know if there's security still in there, but someone's got into it on YouTube. That was like a year ago, so I think it's obviously boarded up now. But yeah. What's this? I can't get up there, so I'm gonna have to zoom in. Oh, it's for like little and stuff like that. Hired. But yeah, it goes over to another farm. Well, not another farm, another like field area. But I don't think we're gonna go to there. Gonna go the other way and see what else there is. My camera is literally, I think it's on low percent right now. Not too sure. I think we can get a little bit of more recording into today's vlog. But yeah, as I said, there will be another vlog today. I'm not saying who, because I've never mentioned him on the channel before. But like I said, mate, if you know who you are. If you're watching it, you know who you are, mate. Sorry guys about that. But we're going to be vlogging together, which his face is, he does allow me. He does allow his face to be on camera. It's okay with that. So that'll be good. Can go over there. Can go over there, guys. My hand is freezing right now. Like, I can't feel my fingers. That don't make any sense. Ignore me, guys. That don't make no sense at all. Because there's so much litter around there. I don't know why people just litter. I should have came here on a drier day. God. Okay. Should have came in on a drier day. Because that way won't be as muddy, and that way I can actually walk up little stairs like that. Zoom in for you guys. That there, see there. But yeah. So once I get home, and obviously put all this into one video. Yeah. There's some buildings. Wait, is that the farm? I think that's the farm over there. That's the farm I was on about. Over there, guys. That's the farm over there. But I don't know how we can get over there. Might need to go round to the other side, maybe. Oh, is that the farm or is that the... It's like a little allotments. I'm pretty sure it is. But yeah, let's go up these stairs. These stairs might be slippery, so I do need to be careful on where I step. Wait, I step. There we go, we made it without phone. But yeah, it's just like a little vlog for me to record because I need to get some out there for you guys. So yeah. See what I mean? Some people don't care if you're recording. But yeah, I'm alright when people are with me. Some people, which when there's loads of people looking at me, I feel weird when they're recording from the people because I've not done it. So have we just went round in a circle? Guys, I think we've went round in a circle. Yeah, I think we have, because I remember last time we went here, there was some stairs there. But yeah, also, my socials, description box below, guys. Where's it come? Below. Yeah, so below, guys. But make sure you go and follow me on all my socials below. That's my main channel, my Instagram and everything like that, you know the drill, etc. But yeah, I think this is leading us back to the farm that we found before. I didn't show you guys, but I will try and show you the farm. Yeah, look, here we go. It leads us, so we came all the way from down there. Wait, we walked all the way down here, walked down there, and we scooched back up down there. Because this here, remember this? Going here before. But yeah, this is leading back up to the main road. So we did find a way back. Which is good. But we do need to worry about this hill. So I don't fancy from. Wait, you might be able to see the village. The finger from up here. See that little farm there, guys? I don't know if you can see, because we're actually far away. But yeah. Do we need to hold the camera that way? No, I don't. This way is better. Yeah, my camera keeps doing that because I'm literally walking down this hill try not to fall over. But guys, please subscribe to. Let's start walking. Please subscribe to his channel for more vlogs like this. Yeah, just like a little vlog, just some fresh air, and just to get a vlog in my channel because I haven't done one in like a month, maybe a year. I'm not too sure, guys, but you know what I mean. But yeah. So like I said, if you didn't watch my video on my main channel, what I got for Christmas 2024 edition. Now I did one 2023 edition, I think I did. So 2024 edition, I got this camera right here, but I did have a camera from ages ago where I recorded on my other channel. But as you know, I said a few videos ago, someone broke it. I put one of the videos on screen now of when I had the camera. It's really good quality, guys. Like, the quality is good on my phone, but I do prefer using the camera. But yeah, like I said, that video I'll be on screen now. A little bit of the video. That got a few views, that, and a few likes, which is I can't speak. I'm appreciative of that because it was a good video to make. Other than some bloopers at the end of the video. Yeah, some bloopers at the end of the video. Let's not get into that. Well, you did see a bit of a blooper. Well, it wasn't a blooper, but it's like proper. I tried to blur it all out, but you know. But yeah, I basically cut my hand. Yeah, guys, I basically cut my hand on this glass thing. I don't know if I do have the scars still, which I will do because it's a scar. I don't know, I can't find it. Oh yeah, there we go. Don't think you can see it. It's like there. I don't think you can see it on camera, but yeah, I did cut my hand open on glass at the end of the video. But yeah, it was bad. That's why you shouldn't go into abandoned places, they say. But I don't listen. Me and Ethan Explorer don't listen. We just record videos, record us going into abandoned places. Yeah, it's not good. But anyway, we are here again. So we're basically going around in a circle, which is really good. Obviously, I did have to stop some of the video because there's people walking past and I didn't want to record them without their consent, without their permission, because I don't do it. I don't record people without their permission because I just find it what's the word, I just find it horrible to do. But yeah, I can show you the horses as well now. The horses. Let's not fall down here, should I say? That will not be good. Horses there. Push through here. You do need to be careful on here as well, because it says something about electric fence. Please do not feed the horses, which that must mean don't feed the horses for a reason. Not sure what the reason is, but yeah. So we're back down here to the farm area. Call it a farm because it's near the farm that we've seen, the abandoned. Well, it's not abandoned, but it's left unknown. Like, it's left. People, let's not touch that fence because that will not be good. Yeah, it's left unknown, so people don't think people going there. I'm not sure because I haven't been on the farm yet. Because there you go. There's the horses. If you guys are fond of horses, are horse lovers, then there we go. Some horses there. Don't know what they're doing, but yeah. So there is some places around there what are boarded up. You can't get into these abandoned places. Like I said, there's no places around near me where abandoned. There's literally none. Literally no abandoned places near me, like at all. We're getting out. On the point end of the video, which that will not be good. Right, it's coming. Right, got some back here. I'm not recording them because I don't want to record them for reasons. Because I don't like recording people without their permission. But yeah, we are back round here, guys. We are back at the entrance of, I could say farm. Look at that water though. Might have been on there. I need to yeah. But yeah. There goes there. There we go. Just went then. Yeah, people do go on it. Obviously it's someone's farm, someone owns it. Well, it's not. I'll say it's a farm. It's near to the farm area. But yeah. So I'll show you, before we end the video, I'll show you a little bit of where we are right now. So obviously that's the main road right there, well no shit. But yeah, there's a place there, an abandoned like plate. Don't know if it's abandoned, but it looks it. But I don't know how you can get in. I mean, we can check, but I don't fancy getting in trouble, guys. So let's just check real quick. Let's just check. Don't think, no, it's completely closed. Can't get in. Yeah, danger, keep out, like it just says there. I don't think you see it. Danger, keep out. Which I don't know. Yeah, it says danger, keep out. It has a padlock on it for a reason, guys, so you can't get in. But yeah, so you can't get in there. But yeah, that's the farm board, guys. Well, I don't know what to call it because it is a farm, but it's technically not a farm at the same time. So I don't know what to call it. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel for more vlogs like this, guys. Because I do have fun recording vlogs for you, so I have not been recording vlogs for ages. Because I didn't have my camera. I could have recorded on my phone, but I just prefer recording on camera. It's way better. Even though it has the same quality as the camera. But even so. But yeah, we're coming to the main road right now. Yeah, so this is not trespassing, okay? I know there's like houses there. This isn't trespassing. You're out allowed on this farm. As long as you don't try getting places like that. But that leads to that abandoned place, which we can't get into. Look at there. Yeah, we can't get into that. So we tried last time getting in, but we couldn't. Tried that camera, should I say. But if you did enjoy this vlog and you want to see some more vlogs, then let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I've had fun recording vlogs for you guys. But stay tuned until later on, because I will be vlogging again. So I will see you in a bit, guys. Peace out. Love you all.